I did a quick look at this website because I was pretty sure this is a spammy website. We've seen a couple clients who've had this in the past. We've suppressed it. But I actually wanted to look into the metrics to see how powerful is this website that is wreaking so much havoc on people's lives. And the truth is, it's not a very authoritative website. Domain authority, according to Moz, is 26, okay? And I'll give you an example. Every website on the web is assigned a metric. It's pretty arbitrary, but it also means something. Generally, how powerful is this website from a scale from 1 to 100? GripeO is a mere 26. There are so many other websites, even free websites like medium.com, that you can use to suppress this. And if somebody is, publishing content about your business or about, yourself and making it as negative as possible, and there's no other content about your name or your brand, it's going to rank. But here's the trick. All you have to do is create consistent, positive content. Again, in all these videos you mentioned this, create your personal website, okay? Author posts on medium.com. Make sure your name is in the headline of that post. We call that the H1 tag. Author posts on LinkedIn. Make sure it's long form, positive, not just some chat GPT slop. Make sure it's actually a reasonable, academic, professional post that actually makes sense. Post that on LinkedIn. Post on the blog, on your website. Include your name in the H1 tag or the title of that blog. And then continue. Build social media. Build all, these other social networks that you can use. Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, but you can also build a Pinterest. You can use AI videos we create for clients, biographical, and publish those with their name in the H1 tag. You can create higher quality videos if you want, similar to how I'm doing on this channel. Create your own YouTube channel. And now I understand for a lot of people, becoming a publicly facing individual is not on their to-do list. They don't want to do that. But the unfortunate thing is, now that somebody has published this on the web, the easiest thing to do is to be okay with building somewhat of an online presence in a congruent way. So we're not going to make up fluff or make it strange. We're going to make it about us. We're going to make it contextual. We're going to create content that actually represents us. Once you do this, you can suppress it. Rinse and repeat. We're going to release an updated spreadsheet of social networks that you can use. This has over 60 social networks right now that you can use that are in addition to, as I mentioned, X, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, a lot more social networks. And you can also check out our blog. This has been another video. Click the link in the description down below to book a call with me if you need some further help. But this is a pretty easy website in general. Comparison to the rest of the online reputation management negative website ecosystem, this one is a lot easier, so I feel like you're not going to have too much trouble with it. Good luck.